Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the clapperboard rug furniture recipe in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic event. And at this event, you can get any cool rewards from the battle pass like this. One of them is clapperboard rug furniture recipe like this. And to get this furniture recipe, this unique furniture recipe, you need to reach level 55 at the battle pass, and to reach this level, you need to collect festival points that you can get it from the town festival catalog rewards, town festival limited collections reward, or even you can get it from the resident request or daily quest rewards. And after you reach level 55, you will automatically get this clapperboard rug furniture recipe, and you can just craft it anytime in your rug beds. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.